Hello and welcome to Two Car Pros. Today we're going to show you how to change the transfer case fluid in your Ford F-150 from the year 2005.
Okay, so we're here underneath the transfer case. Now, the first port I'm going to remove is over here. This is the fill port. And all you need is a 3/8 drive on a socket, or not a socket, on a ratchet. As you can see, a little bit comes out. That's normal. And we can set this plug aside. Now we can remove the drain plug. It too is a 3/8 drive. So now we need to wait until all the transfer case fluid dribbles out. And you are going to have to chase it with the pan a little bit. Okay, so once the fluid has all drained out, we can clean the mating surface here and threads a little bit. Clean it up so it doesn't get anywhere else. And then we can replace this plug. Okay, so now we can replace the fluid for the transfer case. Now it's really easy to tell when you've put enough in because it'll just start coming out of the fill port here, and once it starts coming out, you know that's the right level. It should be about 2 quarts. I will leave a link down below in the description where you can buy what I'm putting in. I will also leave a link to this neat pump I'm using, which is gonna save me some effort, which I'm okay with. Okay, as you can see, it started spilling out of the fill port here, so we know we're at the correct amount. And now we can replace our fill port plug. And again, if I find a torque spec, I will put it on screen now. But if you don't have a torque wrench, which is understandable, medium tight's good. Like that.
So that's how to change the transfer case fluid in your Ford F-150. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe. All applicable links are down below in the description, and I'll catch you next time.